Have you ever stopped to think why the flu season and cold season is associated with the fall and winter months? Is it because of the colder temperature? Is it because the days are shorter? Well, I think it's a combination of both. So what happens when it's colder outside during the fall and winter? Well, number one, people tend to spend more time indoors where it's warmer. The other thing is that they wear heavy clothing. Sweaters, jackets, coats, scarves, covering up most of their skin. Another significant factor that occurs during the fall and winter months is that the rays of the sun are less direct, meaning they're less strong. And of course, the days are shorter during the fall and winter months. Now let's think about this further. Do you think that the number of bacteria and viruses suddenly increase during the fall and winter months? Or is a better explanation to account for the increased cases of flu and colds attributed to people becoming more susceptible to these viruses and bacteria? So why does all this matter? I think you know what I'm alluding to. Whenever you cover up your body with clothes, spend more time indoors, and whenever the sun's rays are less direct and the days are shorter, you get less sun exposure to your skin. And sun exposure is what your body needs to synthesize vitamin D. Vitamin D is a micronutrient that is critical to numerous functions in your body that are related to maintaining your health. First and foremost, its primary role is to ensure that you have optimal levels of calcium and phosphorus in your bloodstream. Now, this is essential for healthy bones. Other critical functions of vitamin D include maintaining a strong immune system, modulating cell growth, strengthening your neuromuscular system, meaning your muscles and your nerves, and reducing the effects of inflammation. Now, inflammation is something that your body does to guard itself from further injury or to quarantine an injured site. But when it's produced in low levels throughout your body in response to an irritant, whether it's a dietary irritant or an irritant from your environment, this constant state of low-grade inflammation promotes chronic diseases such as cancer, heart disease, arthritis, and gastrointestinal inflammatory disorders. There are many simple yet powerful things you can do to guard yourself against getting the flu this season. First and foremost, make sure to wash your hands frequently throughout the day. Make sure to use warm water, soap, and do it for about 1 minute. Number two, avoid touching your eyes and any of your mucous membranes. And number three, be mindful of glasses and silverware in restaurants. Oftentimes they're not cleaned properly, or the waiter or waitress touches the forks. This is an easy or common way for germs to be transmitted. You can do things to strengthen your immune system. A strong immune system is the best defense you can have against all microbes. You can take high doses of vitamin C, like 2,000 to 2,500 milligrams per day, zinc supplementation, and vitamin D supplementation. You could take cod liver oil, which is a great source of vitamin D. Elderberry extract is known to have powerful antiviral qualities to it. Another idea you may want to try is to sunbathe in your home. Now, most homes will have a window that gets a lot of light. Maybe it faces the east or the west. So find that window in your home and expose your body, your trunk, your arms to the sunlight for at least 15 to 20 minutes. You can also get a light box. Now, a light box is a special light, a powerful light, about 100 times brighter than ceiling lights. And people with seasonal affective disorder, when they're exposed to this light from the light box for about 20-30 minutes in the morning, they tend to have a better mood throughout the day. In summary, be aware that the reason why the flu and colds are more prevalent during the winter months is not because the weather is colder, it's because people are more susceptible to becoming infected. And one of the reasons is a drop in vitamin D. That's it for now. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more great insider tips on wellness,